Hey, it's Raj from the Primal Desire. Today I'm going to show you how to cut a turkey so that you can get the whole thing in an Instant Pot and cook it in under 30 minutes. So, let's get at it. Okay, so we're going to cut the legs, and then the wings, and then the breast. So you'll notice that I have this towel down underneath my cutting board just to keep it from sliding. So start off by taking everything from inside out. You'll have the neck for sure, and that's all my turkey has inside it, but often you'll have a package that has the giblets and liver and organ meat in it. Starting here with the leg, all we need to do is cut some of the skin that's surrounding the joint. And you can just feel your way around. You're just gonna go along where the bones, the ribs are. Here you can see that I've sliced into the end of the bone, and I just manipulate that, just go ahead and pop that out. So you're just dislocating that bone, and then from there you're just going to cut the ligaments that are holding it together, and then go ahead and do the same on the other side. It's pretty convenient, like you don't have to cut through that much meat, you're really just separating there's that bone again. Just gonna cut through the ligaments. This section at the top, that's the only spot where you really have to cut through any meat. And then this little chunk of skin on the back, that's all that's kind of holding it together. Now onto the wings. Again, just feel around. You can feel where the joint is, and that's where you're really going for. Here I try to separate it. It doesn't pop out as easily as the legs do. But just keep feeling around, and you can feel where those ligaments are, and just go ahead and cut through them, and it makes it very easy. Go ahead and do the same with the second one. But now I was finding that the cutting board was a little bit wet and a little bit slippery. There you go, 2 wings flapping around. So I just grabbed a towel to wipe down the cutting board to make it less slippery. I like to use the skin. If you don't want it, then you can go ahead and take it off at any point, and it would make it a little bit easier. While getting at these breasts, the first thing, just slice through the skin initially, and then you're good to go. So there's that one bone in the middle, just go to the side of it. And here, I realize, this is a little embarrassing. Yes, there was another package. Always check the bottom and the top. And like I said, just keep following those bones and separate it off. There you go. Now I've got the skin connected. It'll be beautiful when it's all roasted up. Then on to the second one. Same thing. Just go along the bone, the other side this time. You can see here, I kind of like missed the rib, so no problem, just go back, cut that away. And there's the little tender. So you can see there's still quite a bit of meat left on this, and that's fine. We're gonna go ahead and use it for soup, so after it's roasted, I'll just pick these pieces off by hand. And then in the end, I'll just toss it into the soup. As for these wings, we're gonna take off the ends because we're not gonna eat those, but they'll be great for the soup. I kind of screwed around with this a little bit because I was trying to separate at the joint. But really, if you've got a nice sharp knife or a cleaver or anything, just go ahead and bust right through that, no problem. And then I just wanted to separate the drumette from the wingette. And again, just like all the other stuff, just feel around and feel where the joint is and feel those ligaments that need to be separated, and away you go. Now for the legs, you want to do the same thing with the thighs and the legs. You can feel exactly where those joints are, so... And again, I get stuck here at the ligament. Just go ahead and feel around for where they are. Now you don't need to separate the bone from the meat. I thought I'd just go ahead and do that since I'm doing a video for how to do it. Or just feel along the bone with the knife. Go slow, no hurry. Same with the other one. That first thigh, I feel like I didn't do the best job on. This one was a little bit slicker. So I just kind of work the one end of the bone a little bit better. This way there's something to like grab onto, and then you can just keep tracing that bone all the way back down to the other end. Ta-da! There you go. Full turkey weather meat in a bowl, and the carcass ready for soup. Now you can cook your turkey in under 30 minutes, no butcher needed. So check out that video here, or use the link below for the recipe on the website. We don't want any of this turkey to go to waste, so now it's time to use the carcass to make turkey bone broth. Check out that recipe here. Do us a favor and please share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one.